Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Accessibility. Do not wander through other menus. Once done, find Magnifier in the Accessibility list and get ready to toggle controls. This is where the feature is exposed. Make sure your device is updated so labels match. If asked, enter your passcode. You are preparing to turn the Magnifier feature off at the system level so it stops appearing as an app or shortcut. Now you'll disable the app itself and any shortcuts that call it. First, switch Magnifier off in Accessibility so the Magnifier app ceases to function as an accessibility tool. Next, open Control Center settings and remove the Magnifier tile so it won't be summoned from the swipe down menu. Finally, check Accessibility shortcut, triple-click Home/Side button, and uncheck Magnifier so short clicks won't trigger it. Together, finish by restarting your iPhone to make sure the system fully applies the changes. This clears any cached accessibility states. Once rebooted, test the triple-click and Control Center gestures to confirm Magnifier no longer launches. If you still see it, go back to Accessibility and retoggle Magnifier off, then remove it from Control Center again. Sometimes a second toggle or restart clears lingering permissions. If problems persist, check for Managed Profiles or MDM settings that might force the feature on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.